No.
Hi my friends, I just got this construction vehicles toy set. Let's check it out. What kind of construction vehicles are in there? So let the fun begin. Here comes the big semi truck and the big trailer behind it. Let's park it over here. Let's go ahead and open and see what kind of construction vehicles are inside it. So here we go. Wow. Let's unpack them one by one and try to learn about these. Are you ready? Let's pull out the stabilizers before parking the truck. Let's pull this one out here, and that's it. Looks good. The first vehicle we have here is a front loader. It's used to move heavy stuff like sand, rocks, and stone in a construction site. Here is our first vehicle, front loader. The next vehicle is this big excavator. It's got a big bucket in the front and a big boom or a stick. And there is a rotating cab that can move around. Excavators are used to dig trenches, holes, or foundations for a house. Let's go ahead and retract the boom and park this excavator. The next construction vehicle is a road roller, also called as a steam roller. This is used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundation. Let's go ahead and park this one too. The next vehicle is this big dump truck. This is used to move material from one place to the another on a construction site. It's got a big bed which can move up and down, and when it is full, you can move it up and then dump all the stuff on the ground. That's why it's called a dump truck. Let's go ahead and park this dump truck. Next construction vehicle is the small forklift. It's small, but it can move some heavy stuff. It's used to move materials over short distances. So let's park this in our big truck as well. So here we go. The next construction vehicle is this truck mixer. It's used to transport concrete to the construction site. Let's go ahead and park this one too. So we have now all the construction vehicles there. Let's see what we can do with these. Let's find out. Looks like we have some rocks over here. We need to move these rocks to the big pile of rocks in that corner. So what do you think we need? I think we need a front loader to put these rocks in a dump truck. So here comes the front loader. Let's load these rocks. I think we need a dump truck to move these rocks so that the front loader can load these in the dump truck. Here comes the dump truck. Watch out! Looks like all the rocks are in the dump truck. Thank you, front loader. I think you can go ahead and park yourself. The dump truck will take over from here. And here we go.
Yay!
Thank you, dump truck. Looks like we have a problem on the city streets. There are some rocks in the middle of the road. And here comes the police. I think we should go ahead and close the road. Let's close the road. I think that should prevent the traffic from hitting the rocks. I know the traffic is backing up. We have to hurry and fix this problem. It looks like they're discussing what's the best way to solve this problem. I think we'll need a dump truck. Let's bring the dump truck. Here comes the dump truck. Let's help put all the rocks into the dump truck. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rocks. Thank you, dump truck, for your service. I think we can open the roads now. Let's remove the warning signs and the road close signs. The construction workers can go to now. Looks like things are moving now. It looks like a water pipe burst over here. I think we need to block the roads first. Let's do that quickly so no one gets hurt. Let's block this road over here and over here. And let's block this one too. I think we'll need to move this water pipe and repair it and remove all the debris around it too. So what should we do? I think we first need to get an excavator. Here comes the excavator. Let's lower its arm and get some sand and debris in the bucket. I think we'll need the forklift to move the broken pipes. Let's get the forklift. Let's move these signs so the forklift can move around.
Yay!
Thank you, forklift. Let's get the road roller to patch up the road. Here comes the road roller. I think it looks all good now. Let's remove the signs so the traffic can resume. It's getting really backed up here. Looks like everything is going real good. But I think we need to move this big, huge pipe from over here. We'll need a big crane. Looks like we do have a big crane. Wow, look at those long beams. Let's use this to move that pipe. Wow, that's really tall. I think we'll need some construction workers to help fix this pipe into this hook so we can lift it up. Here we go. Let's see if we can lift it up now. This is a dangerous job. Everybody should move a little bit further away. Here we go. Oh, looks like it's slipping. We need to lower it back again. This is really dangerous. Let's try to do it right this time. Let's see if this will help. Let's try again. Looks like it's working this time. Thank you, Crane, for your help. Everybody is cheering now.
Yay!
Because a real disaster was avoided today. Good job, construction workers. Thank you for your service. So now you guys know how important the construction vehicles and the construction workers are to keep our city going. Let's try to be nice to them next time we see them on the streets, helping our city. So see you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. 3, 2, 1, go!